What we learned yesterday. What's the first thing we're supposed to learn? Everybody talk to me. Hey, talk to me. What do we got? What? Oh, we talked about this word yesterday. What's that big ugly word?
Simultaneous.
Simultaneous. What does simultaneous mean?
Together.
Same time. Together is another way to look at it. Okay, good. Solve a system of simultaneous equations using the elimination method. That's what we're trying to do today. And swirl is, why do we call this the elimination method? Now, what does the word eliminate mean in the English language? What's that? Yeah, to get rid of. You eliminate the problem. If you didn't improve on your last quiz because you didn't do your work, eliminate the problem. Start doing your work. Okay? Now, I don't know why that happened. Okay. Let's see here. Everybody turn around and say elimination method.
Elimination.
And what does the word eliminate mean again?
To get rid of.
To get rid of. Very good. Okay. Now, what we have to graph here, or number one on the axis below, it says draw y equals 2x plus 1. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. What is the slope of this? 2. Who said 2x? Mental spasm, right? No x, just the 2. What's the y-intercept? 1. So I begin at 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, backside here. All right. So that's the first graph. And by now, you should be really comfortable with that. You should be looking at a graph like that saying, man, I can knock those out in my sleep. I do want to say one thing from the quiz. It seemed to me on number 3 on the quiz that some people wrote that the y-intercept was 2, and that was because the graph went through here. On the quiz, the graph went through here and also here. The y-intercept's -4. The y-intercept touches the y-axis, not the x-axis. So make sure you're looking for the y-axis, the y-intercept on the y-axis. Now, the second graph is y equals -x plus 4. What's the slope of that one? Come on, talk to me. What's the slope, guys? -1. Good. What's the y-intercept? 4. So I begin at 4 again on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I love it. Very good. I like it because I'm crossing right at a perfect point. Now, the coordinates of this perfect point are 1, 3, and that's the solution. Yeah, if you put 3, 1, what a shame to do all of that beautiful work and do such a great job, and you would have lost the point. You know what I mean? You did all the hard stuff right. So let's not mess up the details, okay? Any other questions about how we come up with 1, 3? All right. The last thing we need to be able to do is to check it. I'll get back to it in a second. We need to be able to check this solution. So this says y equals 2x plus 1. Remember, any coordinate is xy. So I'm going to plug in a 1 for x and a 3 for y. What's 2 times 1, guys? 2 plus 1 is 3. And now let's go over here. Y equals -x plus 4. And I'm going to plug in a 3 for y and a 1 for x. -1 plus 4 is 3. So I get 3 equals 3. Check. Go ahead. Point of intersection?
Yeah.
What about it?
What happens if it misses it and there's no intersection?
Well, there's usually an intersect. Sometimes when we draw it, it comes out like in the middle over here.
Yeah.
And it is possible to do that, but at your level, it typically means we're probably wrong. Because usually, for our purposes, we're going to meet at a perfect point. Later on, you get a little more realistic where they can meet anywhere. Okay? All right. Is there any question about this? Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, we talked about how we're supposed to understand this word eliminate. What does elimination mean again? Get rid of. Good. And what is a method? What is a method? Right? What's the word method mean? Okay?
A way to do something.
Yeah, a way to do something. So the elimination method is a way to do it where you get rid of something. Okay? All right. So, never hear the expression, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Remember, this is actually like yesterday's lesson, so it's not radically new. You guys ever hear the expression?
Yeah.
Turn it over.
Not there.
Really?
Really?
No, it's supposed to be lesson 1, that's right. Oh, okay. Hold on.
How come you had the right to do it?
Hold on. That's a very strange thing. Okay, escape. Escape, come on. All right. No need to panic yet, Bob. What's going on here? All right, get my glasses on. Lesson 3, lesson 1. Aha. All right, so we got that working. Oh, now my swirl's a little different now. We're back to simultaneous solutions. What does simultaneous mean again? At the same time. Solution is what works. Okay, everybody graph y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6 and y equals 2x minus 4. Graph them at the same time. Let's see if you can get where they meet. Let's go. Yes. Let me come around to your side, Jess. Okay, Steph, let's get going. Graph one, graph the other. Make sure you say what the slope is, the y-intercept, etc. Oh, all you're going to do is, if you're going to check anything, you just write the 2 equations. And you analyze this. And then you remember in unit 1, 3, that's xy. So x is 1, and y is 3. So if you change 3, and you just work on the same picture. Oh, your slope is wrong in number 1, negative 1/2 x plus 6. Negative goes down. That looks good. Yeah, from a quick look, it looks good. Another minute or so, guys. You guys should be like jumping all over this, saying to yourself, man, oh man, this is great because I know how to graph a line. And if I can graph 2 at the same time and get it right, I'm gonna get a bunch of points. This question is like a guarantee to be on your final exam and on your state test. It's like every 8th grade student in the state of New York has these on their final and on the state test. Always, always, always. Even if you opt out of the state test, it doesn't make a difference because you're gonna get it on your final exam. And personally, I don't care if you all opt out, that makes a difference to me. But it will be on your final.
Is this like your security blanket?
No, it's to keep my warm blanket. When I don't teach, to keep the swelling down in my legs, because you swell a lot after the surgery, I put them up on the desk, and I take my shoes off to do that, so I wrap my feet in the blanket.
Rena, first guess, security blanket. That's what I was
I
thinking.
do have security blankets. I have my blankie at home.
My brother does too.
Yep. All right. Let's take a look at this, guys. We'll go through this step by step and see what we come up with. I think we're going to do a good job on this one. Ready? Negative 1/2 x plus 6. Now, Elizabeth asked a good question before about, does it work out that it comes on a perfect point, and then hers didn't, and she had wound up making a mistake. So if it doesn't come out on a perfect point, you usually say, what did I do wrong? Yeah. All right, so the y-intercept is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What axis does the y-intercept go on? Talk to me. What axis does the y-intercept go on?
The Y.
The y-axis. Very good. Not the x-axis. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2, because that slope is negative. We go down. Backside. Now remember, I don't know if I did this in the last one, but you must write the equation of the line on there. Okay. Now, let's go for the next one here. Y equals 2x minus 4. Slope is 2. Hold it. Y-intercept is sit. Negative 4. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Ah, there it is. There you go. Lights flash. That was ready. 4, 4. All right, oh, Tasto la vista, vaya con Dios, toodaloo, ta-ta. Leave it there, Chase. Smile a lot. Ciao. Arrivederci. Adios, amigos y amigas. Cheerio. Ta-ta. Sam, have a great day, huh? See you later, folks.
Do I
What was
leave a
that?
binder here?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
Do I leave a binder here?
If there is, we usually put them up on the side. Do you see it? See you later, Alan. Have a great day.